Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So three puzzles are left: binary puzzle, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku number 9775. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the Four Star Sudoku has, in additional, has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for Four Stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a Four Stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. We have here three twos. We have here two threes. We have here four fours. Well. How about the fives? Three, four fives. How about the sixes? Three sixes, three sevens, three eights, and one nine. 1 9. So the fours and the fives are a majority. Can I start with the four? Yeah, four in this row, four in the second row. So the third row, the only place level four should be there. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this last row. No 4 in these two boxes. We have 4 in this column. No 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 in this big square should be here or there. 4, 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between. The only place level 3 should be there. I cannot continue with the 4. Wow. No. How about the 5 then? 5. Need a 5. We have a pair. The 5 and 8 in this column. The 5 and 8 in that column. So the column between. The middle column, no need to place left for the 5 and 8. Goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Alright, so we have a 4 in this row. Last row. 4 in one of those two boxes in that row. So the row between. The only two places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Need a 4 here or there. Need a 4 here, okay. Then 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. 3 sixes. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Need a 7. Ooh, in this row we need a 7. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7 and a 2. Yeah. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this third row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Okay. Yeah. Need a 7 there. Three, Well, I need a 1 in this row. Well, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 in this row should be there. 1, 2, need a 3, need a 4 to 5, need a 6, 7, 8, need a 9. 8, 5, and a 9. I need a 9 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 7, there's 3 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 here, 9, 8. No 6, 6. Need a, can there be a 5? No 5 here. 5, 5, 5. 2. Well, in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this third column. No 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 in those 2 boxes. And 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the last row. 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. Need a 5 here on there. 6, 9, and the 5 and the 1. Need a 1 here. 6, 9. Need a 6 there. 3, 9. 3, 9. Need a 5 here. In this first column, we need a 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row T in the middle row. The only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. Last column. So the column T, the only place left for the 5 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 8 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for 5 should be there. Then, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and then 9. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 and the 9, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 4 and the 7. The other pair in this big square numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing, 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9, 9. And now, need a 2 here. Come on, need a 2 there. 8 and a 9. 7. Need a 6 here. 6, we have a pair. In the second column. The 2 and the 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. The 2 and the 6 in the third column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 2 and the 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. And look, we have 2 and the 6 in the middle row. No 2 and the 6 in this box. 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1, 3, 9. No, we have a 3, a 1, 9, and the 8. 1, 9, and 8. We have, here can be an 8. We need an 8 in the second column. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in the third row. No 8 there. Only place left 8 in the second column. Should be there. So one digit left in this big square for number 9. Two numbers left now for numbers 1 and the 9. Need to wait. No. We have 8 in. No. 8. Okay. 4. And need a 6 there. Need a 7 here. Well. 2, 6, 5. 4 here. Well, we have a pair. No, not a pair. Need to wait. 6. 6 could be here. 6. Ay. Still need a 3 there. 4. Come on, this one. Need a 9 here. We have a pair. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have 2 and a 9 in this big square, so no 2 and a 9 in these two boxes. 2 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we need a 4 here, need a 3 here, and I need an 8 here. I need a 1. Yeah, 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, there are only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. The 2, we need a 3. Could be everywhere. The 4, the 5, the 6, need a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. And we need an 8 here. Could be everywhere. Okay. 2, 2. But I need a 4, 2. Okay, we have a pair again. In the middle column, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this big square, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in the middle row, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1 is missing. 9 is missing here. 1, 9. 1, 9, and 6 is missing. Yeah, in this column we need a 6. Well, here can be 6. We have 6 in this one. No 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have 6 in this column. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left with 6 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. Need a 3 there. Yeah, 3 in one of these 3 boxes in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row. The only 2 places left of the 3 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 that's left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing here. 6 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 6, we have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left with 1 should be there. Then 7 and a 3, 7 and a 4. About here, then 3 and a 9. Two missing numbers in the first column. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 3 goes there. So 1, 3, 9. We have a 9 now, so the 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. One box left now in the second column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should. No, not 3 and a 5, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. 1 and a 7, 2 and a 4. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 1 goes there. 1 and a 8, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then let me see. Come on. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, from the row below, the only 2 places level. The 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 4 here. 4 could be everywhere. I need an 8 here. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and the 7, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and the 3, we have 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 18 minutes, 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku. But we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.